For your CrossFit, you may be driving traffic to a landing page via ads or organically, and you're trying to get more members. And there's a way to do this in such a way that we don't change the ads, we don't change the funnel, we don't change anything. We just add this one little cool thing, which I'll show you in a second. And you've probably never seen anything like this before. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we go. I'm going to click on this, Instant Answers, click on Accept, and here we go.
Hi, this is Jason. I'm an AI CrossFit expert, and I'm here to answer any questions you have. What brings you to our website today?
Well, I saw an ad on Facebook, and I'm just curious about how this whole thing works with CrossFit.
Thanks for checking us out. Are you interested in group classes, personal training, or maybe just looking to get started with fitness in general?
I'm kind of interested in group classes.
Great choice. Our group classes are high energy and really supportive. Are you looking for something to help you get stronger, improve your fitness, or maybe just have more fun working out?
Yeah, I'm looking to lose like 15 pounds.
That's a really common goal, and our group classes are designed to help with weight loss and overall fitness. Would you like to schedule a free trial class to see what it's like?
Yeah, but maybe you could tell me a little bit about the CrossFit, like your location.
Absolutely. We're located in Astoria, Queens. Our gym focuses on helping members reach their goals with expert coaching and a really welcoming community. Every class is led by a coach who makes sure you feel comfortable and supported no matter your experience level. Does that sound like what you're looking for?
Yeah, it does.
Awesome. Would you prefer to come in for a free trial class in the morning or the afternoon?
I think probably the morning would be best.
Sounds good. I have a 9 a.m. or a 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Which works best for you?
I'll take the 10 a.m.
Perfect. Please type your name and email in the chat box so I can get you booked. Thanks, Brian. Could you please also type your email in the chat box? Great, Brian. Can you please also add your phone number?
Sure.
Do me a favor and double check the spelling of your name and email and that's the correct phone number. Is everything correct?
Yep, that looks correct.
You're booked in. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Just one more question. Is there any reason why you will not be able to attend this class?
Oh no, I'll be there. I'm actually really excited about this.
Awesome. Do you have any other questions I can help with?
No, I'm good. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks, and take care.
Okay, so you can see how this went right into my like as a lead. Like I just saw an ad, right? I saw your ad, or I was on Facebook and I saw some cool content from yours, and I checked out the landing page, and here I am. So it goes right into my email, and I also get a calendar invite, and the same thing will go into your email and your calendar as well. But just at a high level, let me go over how we're doing this. So we basically add a snippet of code, custom code onto your landing page. It takes less than a minute to add. It's very, very simple. We can get you live in a day or so. The voice could be male or female, and it could be different accents and different languages as well. This is basically like having a 24/7 salesperson on your website or landing pages booking free trials if that's what your offer is. If you want to do a discounted thing, like if you, let's say, listen, for a limited time, it's only X number of dollars, we can actually send them in the chat box a payment link to pay in advance before they come in the class. The voice script and widget the wording can also be customized if you don't like what we wrote. We use Slack to have the whole team notified if there's interested leads that request a callback, if that's the case. In this case, I don't think that was applicable. Recordings and transcripts of conversations are available in our dashboard. This is huge because we want to listen to see if there's anything that we need to tweak with the scripting. More effective than a voice agent calling leads or a chatbot, which because everybody hates chatbots. Because if you do like a voice agent, the pickup rate, meaning the amount of people that actually pick up the phone, is very, very low. Whereas here we give them like an incentive, we give them a reason to talk to the chatbot, sorry, to talk to the voice widget. And because of that, the majority of people talk to the voice widget because they want answers and they want to know what's going on and they want it immediately. The key to this whole thing is having voice, transcription, and chat all in one. So there's communication back and forth. The cool thing too is once they actually book the meeting, we can send them in the chat box a link to maybe a VSL, a video about how great your location is, your CrossFit is, like, or a video about maybe the trainers, or a video about, or some kind of link about your location to get them even more excited. Because not only do we want them to show up, we want them to become a member. So anyway, hope that helps. If you're interested, let me know. Thanks so much.